Welcome back, my lovely friends. I told you I had a lot of videos in store and they are coming out now. So I am getting into affordable gel polishes today. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. This first set is Arte Clavo. I did have a little bit of a problem with the packaging. Like, the packaging itself was beautiful, but you could see I already took out like the base coat, top coat, all of that stuff. I already removed those from the box. I was just kind of curious to see what they look like and different things like that. But the issue that I have with these gel polishes is that I could not get the bottles open. But let's go ahead and go through what's in the rest of this box right now. So as you can see, it did come with a little wax pencil, and that's because the kit actually came with rhinestones as well. I feel like for $5, this kit was super amazing, even if the quality of the rhinestones isn't what you like, right? I actually gave this cuticle oil away in my haul, and I made sure like it kind of smelled good, so that way I wasn't like putting gross stuff in my giveaway. But it also came with a nail file and a buffer, and I thought that was really cool because I've honestly never tried buffers like that before. But you can see how these are kind of beat up, and that's because we literally had to, or I guess I should say Mr. Nene had to use pliers on the handle and also on the bottle to get these open. Like, there was no way. He literally got one bottle open by hand and I could not get it at all. I just didn't have the strength to do it. These bottles like literally felt like they were glued shut, but I am very thankful that we got them open, because even if the nail polish or anything, whatever you buy, is affordable, of course you want to be able to use it, right? And these colors look gorgeous in the pictures, so in person they're even more beautiful. I'm seriously just like blown away by how beautiful these colors were and how well they worked for being so affordable. I really wasn't expecting this quality, to be real honest. So I like the whole system. I like the base coat, the top coat, all of it. And you can see I have all my swatch sticks labeled. And the numbers were on the bottom of the bottles. And so I went ahead and labeled them first. Normally I just go ahead and paint everything and label them, that kind of thing. And I did get a label maker, but we'll see that in a future video, and I kind of go over that. I'm really excited to share that. But I finally have it, so you can see I'm just making sure that the numbers match. I am only going to show you a few colors, a few swatches, because I find swatching satisfying, both the action and the watching it in videos and things like that. So I'm only going to show a few, also for the length of the video, because I really wasn't expecting this many colors. Like, I was like really shocked, and I actually flooded this first one really bad. Like, that was my fault. I used way too much gel polish. I wasn't quite sure what to expect on the consistency and things like that, so it looks a little crazy, and I apologize for that. I'm dropping my phone at the same time. But yeah, like, it's these polishes, like I said, I was just really surprised by their quality. So I'll be back when we get into looking at the swatches all together, but for now, enjoy these first few colors. So this part of the video is actually from today, the day that I am posting the video, and I had my coffee, of course, this morning, so I am ready to go, bouncy and bubbly. The reason why I waited so long to record this part is because just time, but I was trying to record these outside so you could see what they look like outside, but they're absolutely gorgeous on the inside as well. So these are some of the solid colors. These are some of the first colors that I swatched. I always do 2 coats, but you can see like these shimmery colors. They have all kinds of glitters. Like it just made it completely worth it. Absolutely worth it to get these bottles open. They even have like that rose gold and that gold metallic. I mean, these colors are so gorgeous. And actually, my nail sister Rose 318 is the one who kind of inspired this video, because she's the reason why I even bought these in the first place. Because of her community tab posts. And look at this gorgeous purple. Oh my gosh, these holographic glitters in this set they're just drop dead gorgeous. Like I love these colors. They're giving me like Christmas vibes, they're giving me summer vibes. They just have a little bit of everything, like the gold shimmers and the hollow, like the fine hollow glitters, like just so beautiful. And wow, like it's the same with this gold holographic one, and then there's another like actual like metallic gold color, and then also this like fine red glitter. You can't really see it on camera, but these are just absolutely amazing and beautiful, and I love the quality, so highly recommend that. So then now we're getting into my other favorite brand that I recently found. Now, I don't know what it is about these polishes, but they are just perfect to me. And they're very affordable, and you can see that all of the kits come with like 6+3. They all come with base coat, matte top coat, and a shiny top coat, which I actually really like the shiny top coat as well because it is very thick, and it doesn't apply, like it doesn't feel thick or apply thick, but it levels out the polish on top of the polish very well. And it is a high quality. I actually used this brand when I did my St. Patty's Day set, and I was like, even using it on myself was just so shocked. Because again, these are usually run anywhere from like $4 to $6, and I see people buy these off of TEMU, the same brand, for like $20 or $12, and I'm like, stop it. You can get the same exact colors and you can get the same exact things off of Amazon for like $5 a set. Like, I'm not kidding, you can get them as low as $5 a set. So please do your research when you're shopping. But this has quickly became one of my favorite brands, and I'm so glad that they're still affordable on Amazon. And they're just, again, so beautiful. So here I am just taking out all 6 of the bottles are round. I like that. They're easy to roll in your hands and shake up, and different things like that. I'm just kind of showing you the ingredients and what they look like. And they are not small bottles by any means. These are like full, like 7 ml bottles, I believe. I'd have to check, but they almost look like 15 ml bottles. So, I mean, for the size of the bottle that you get for the price that you pay, so amazing, so amazing. And here I am just doing my OCD thing and putting them in order of by number. And ironically, I bought all of the kits that go like back to back and in order, so in chronological order. So it starts with B31 and ends in the B102. Yeah, but some of them were like in consecutive order, so I thought that was cool. But here I am. This is how I cut my labels up. Again, we'll kind of go over my labels in another video, but I'm so grateful that I got a label maker now. Because it's so much easier. It helps me keep track a lot better, and yeah, it's just amazing. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really cool. It serves its purpose and it does a great job. But here I am just comparing the size of the bottles. They're very similar. I think the Arte Clavo ones say that they're like five, or not five, but like they say that they're bigger than the Kastiny ones, and I'm like, no, there's no way that these bottles are bigger. They're actually about the same size, but that was like one of the only other differences outside of not being able to get the bottles open. But these Kastiny polishes, again, packaged very well. Nothing was broken, nothing was missing, nothing was damaged, and I like their full system as well. From right here, I'm just showing you how the base coat works. I love the colors and the way the polish applies, and I also love the top coat. So if you are looking for something that is affordable, like I had to show you this pink. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. This entire set with the pink in it is just absolutely beautiful. Like, how could you not? But I always do 2 coats of polish on my swatch sticks, and some people are like, oh, that's, you know, some people don't like to waste their product. I mean, I could have definitely got 1 coat coverage out of these, but I always do 2 coats even on myself, and so that's just a personal preference. You don't have to do that. I just like to make sure that color comes through strong and that swatch stick is covered. So here's just a little sneak peek of what everything looks like with just 1 coat, and you can see that these are highly pigmented. I almost feel like they're a little runny. They're almost like water, like they're not very thick at all. And they almost apply like regular polish, but I really like it, and they self-level so well. Like I just was like, I'm just blown away by the quality of these. So they do have a little bit of a smell to them. They're not all of like the vegan and free, 9 free and all that stuff, but they're really, really good quality. So if you don't mind like the nail polish smell and things like that we used to subject ourselves to before gel polish, then you'll be okay. Or you could always wear a mask and kind of mask that smell a little bit as well to help with like if you get headaches or whatever. But I really like these, and I don't mind the smell. And like, look at this top coat. Oh my gosh, it's just so shiny. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. Most top coats are, right? But it's also no wipe, so highly recommend. Highly recommend. Okay, so this kit was only $5, similar to the Arte Clavo kit that I have, or set that I have. So $5 for like 24 colors. It's just absolutely, these colors are beautiful. Like, these glitters are gorgeous. Okay, but let's go through all of the new colors that I got. This set right here I bought for a specific reason, right here in the middle. But look at all these colors, like, oh my gosh. And I'm kind of glad these ones don't have like glitters. But here's the kits in order. They're just so pretty. Look at these pinks and purples in this one, and like these bright colors like neon. They're just so beautiful. I love these. And I really, really like, look at all these different like green shades of green and teal. Like, these greens right here are so fun, and they're just seriously so beautiful. And like these little, these are like coral colors. Like, these little coral colors are just amazing as well. Like, you just don't see them very often. So this brand really definitely does their thing, and they're absolutely beautiful. Like, yeah. I like that these are all solid. As much as I love glitter gel polishes, I also like really enjoy all of the solid shades that go behind those glitter polishes, or for nail art. So God, can you believe how affordable these are? It's just absolutely insane. So I apologize if they're not available anymore, or, you know, it's been a really long time since I recorded my original video. But with all of that being said, I want to thank you all so much for being the best part of my channel. And if I don't post a video tomorrow, then I hope everyone has a very fun and safe and holiday weekend. And I will see you all on the flip side. Bye bye.